Hey, I'm Vanessa, and I am so excited to show you how to use your new fabulous Porto-Vino bag, maybe a messenger bag, maybe a backpack. They all work the same, they're all fashionable, they're functional, and more than anything, they're fun, and you can bring the party with you. So we have these beautiful bags, and they are beautifully lined inside. And the great thing about these is if you just look inside the bag, you would never know that there is a secret little compartment that's hiding that is insulated for your party pack. So what we're gonna do is just open up that pouch, and then we have the party pouch right here. And you're gonna see that it comes with a little seal, something to go ahead and seal it with, and your little spout, so that way you can access the wine very easily. And so you're gonna take, yes, not just one, 2 bottles of wine. So do you see this? 2 bottles. We won't judge you if you drink them both yourself, but you know, maybe you'll have some friends in the meantime and have some fun. So you're just gonna go ahead and take your bottle, stick it right on top. It's perfectly made for a wine bottle right there, and tip it upside down. And look at how easy that is. Maybe you drink your wine the way this bag does, but you know, again, we won't judge you. That's perfectly fine. So there you are. You have 1 bottle. And now you're gonna wanna start 2. Just be careful because you already have a bottle in there. And just let it, there we go. Wait till it's empty, otherwise you're gonna be licking wine off the table because you never wanna let it go to waste. And we now have 2 bottles of wine inside of our party pouch. You have this great little contraption here, your spout. You want it to click once, then twice. There you go. That's 2 bottles of wine. Inside of your insulated pouch, you're going to drop it with this spout out. It's insulated, so if you want to go ahead and zip that up to keep it a nice temperature, especially if you're going somewhere warm. And here you go. With this, if you're driving somewhere and you're bringing this to a party, this is considered a closed container if you keep this on, and the minute you open it and take it off, now you are ready, oops, that one, to party. You have a little guard there so that way it doesn't drip through. And I've reached the glass, right? You have a delicious glass of wine and a fashionable bag, and I think I'm gonna go take a little walk. Cheers, friends.